You're not losing trades because you're unlucky. You're losing because your strategy is guessing in a world that demands precision. Fix profit here. I help retail traders break out of confusion and into structure. And if you've ever felt like you're one trade away from quitting, this video is for you. Now I am going to share important thoughts with you, and in the meantime, I will work with the help of my reliable assistant, a smart robot. This is a unique advisor, which collects indicator data in real time and provides it in a convenient format, immediately recommending which way to open a deal. I am a trader with 10 years of experience, and this tool speeds up my work. It is a serious help to optimize your trading strategy, which directly affects the improvement of results. Now, I want to show you my journey from $1 to a good result. I will listen to the recommendations from the neural network in every trade. I will enter every trade for the full amount of the deposit. I can do this because I have a lot of experience. This is not advice. I show you my experience and the capabilities of the bot. Right now, I have chosen the currency pair euro and dollar. The time frame is 1 minute. I have accelerated the price movement to save your time. And now pay attention, people. You can get this smart robot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today.
I'm moving towards my goal, guys. Thanks to the bot for the expert support.
The frequency of data updates in the bot is 1 minute. To not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment. Your feedback is important to us. Now, I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. I started trading like most people, watching YouTube, copying random strategies, jumping on trends. Sometimes I'd win, but mostly I'd get wrecked. Then I learned one truth. 90% of success is not in the setup, it's in the system. Common mistake. Most traders think trading more often equals winning more. Nope. They skip the math. They over-leverage. They treat every candle as a signal. And when it doesn't work, they blame the market. Let me say this loud. The market doesn't care about your feelings, but it will reward structure. How to fix it. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Only enter when your strategy aligns with market context, not emotions. Stop reacting. Start planning. Use tools that force discipline. Track everything. No journal equals no learning equals no improvement. This is where my Signals assistant comes in. It's not a magic wand. It's a logic-based filter that saves you from false confidence. It doesn't guess. It analyzes. It waits. And it gives you confirmation based on real data, not gut feeling. And right now, for the next 30 days, you can grab lifetime access to this assistant for free. After that, it moves to a monthly subscription. If you miss this window, you miss it. No extensions. Link is in the description. If this brought you value, hit like. Subscribe for more strategy over speculation. And comment below. What's your go-to entry filter? How do you use indicators in your strategy? What's your biggest trading mistake? And what did it teach you? Let's build a smarter community, not just a louder one.
You've got what it takes.
But discipline isn't natural, it's built. Every pro you look up to, they started where you are now, confused, frustrated, undercapitalized. The only difference, they built structure before they built profit. So do the work, use the tools, and stop trading blind. Here's a math reality. $100 account equals $1 trades equals 80 cents per win. $1,000 account equals $10 trades equals $8 per win. Same strategy, same market, more scale. That's how leverage should work, controlled, not chaotic. Chart tips? Watch reaction candles at key zones, not just patterns. Volume tells the story behind price. Use it. Don't just mark levels, understand why they hold. AI and technical analysis. And let's talk about this. AI is revolutionizing how we read charts. With neural networks and real-time data modeling, AI can identify high-probability setups faster than any manual scan. It adapts, learns, and adjusts to market behavior, just like you should. That's not the future, it's already here. And my Signals Assistant runs on those same principles: pattern detection, probability assessment, and bias filtering. No guesswork, just pure logic. If you want results, build structure. If you want clarity, use tools. If you want progress, start now. The market doesn't wait, and neither should you. Every day you delay, someone else sharpens their edge. Someone else studies that pattern, tracks that setup, executes with discipline. And here's the thing, success in trading doesn't come from luck. It comes from stacking tiny, smart decisions day after day. You want to trade like a pro? Then act like one. Pros don't chase, they prepare. They automate the boring. They analyze the real. They build systems that run even when emotions scream skip the rules. And guess what? The ones who break through, they're not super geniuses. They're just consistent. They know that progress doesn't feel like fireworks. It feels like logging your trades, reviewing the losses, refining the strategy again and again. The market's not your enemy. Your impatience is, your fear, your ego. Once you tame those, you stop reacting and start responding. So friends, I've completed my work. You can see my results on your screens. Yes, I started with $1 and reached a good amount. Take the bot, subscribe to our Telegram channel with valuable materials for you. Links in description. See you soon.